Improve the flow of piping system design with Sİmcenter Flomaster for Solid Edge. The unique CAD to Flomaster technology extracts the geometry from a solid edge assembly and automatically creates the corresponding fluid volume that exists inside pipe runs and components. During this process, a face can be selected to give a length scale and convert the system to a subsystem. The abstraction process is fully automated, but there's also full control over the fidelity of the model, which can be adjusted with the slider bar. Individual elements can be inspected, deleted, or merged. Once the network configuration is defined appropriately, the geometry can be exported to Flomaster. Following export, the file will be saved for reuse, then automatically opened in Sİmcenter Flomaster for Solid Edge in the Subsystem Import Wizard. The CAD geometry, center line, and component connections can be seen in the wizard, and the model can be rotated to the desired projection when the network is created. On selecting Import, a new subsystem will be created for review. The entire subsystem can be used to create a model, or individual pipelines can be extracted into their own subsystems. For the flow analysis of this model, we're going to extract the pipe from the two compressors to the central vessel. We'll create a second subsystem from the first and save it to the subsystem catalog. We'll now add the subsystem to a new network and specify the boundary conditions using pressure sources. We'll specify the compressor outlet pressure and the vessel inlet pressure. For this low pressure system, we'll specify air as the working fluid and run a static simulation. Following the simulation, we can look at the results for individual components or look at the whole system using network visualization. With this, we can quickly oversee flows, pressures, and velocities. Next, we'll look at the effects of the pressure pulses from the compressors on the system. We'll specify curves defining the pressure pulses to the sources and then run the transient simulation. Following the simulation, we'll look at the flow into the tank where we can see the effect of the pressure pulses from the compressor. Then, moving to the compressor outlets, we can enable transient visualization and see the variation in flows and that the larger flow is from the left-hand compressor. Sİmcenter Flomaster for Solid Edge, providing best-in-class thermo-fluid simulation capability to the mainstream market.